In this example, we're going to use synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder. So here the problem we're using, we have the question is the question asks us to use synthetic division to divide f of x by x minus c, and we write the function f in form of x minus c times q of x. It means the quotient plus r mean our remainder. For giving us that the function f is minus 2 x to the 4 plus 3x to the cube plus 7x squared minus x plus 5 divided by x plus 1. Solution. The divisor is x plus 1. However, we can rewrite as x minus 1 because minus and minus is plus, so it's the same thing. So therefore, c is minus 1. Okay, so we put a minus 1, which is c here, and then inside here we copy down the coefficients of the function f, which is minus 2, 3, 7, minus 1, and 5. Don't forget, minus x means minus 1 times x. We have invisible 1 here, so I got minus 1 there. The same thing here. And then we'll be using synthetic division to divide our polynomial. And here's how you do it. Let me draw a line here. Okay. Now, always bring the first number here down. So I bring it down. I get minus 2. Then take minus 1 times minus 2 is a positive 2. Then you add them together over here. I add them together. I have 5. So what I did is try again. I take minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 2. I have positive 2 right here. Let's use a thicker mark. Okay. And then we take 3 plus 2 is 5. And you do the same thing. Take minus 1 times 5. I get minus 5. Then I take 7 plus minus 5 is a positive 2. So once again, what I did is I take minus 1 times 5. Become a minus 5 here. Then I add, I got 2. Do the same thing. We repeat the process. Takes minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Then I add the 2 together, I have minus 3. So that way I put the arrow to remind you. Take minus 1 times 2, get minus 2. Alright. Now the last one. I take minus 1 times minus 3. I have positive 3. So minus 1 times minus 3. I have positive 3. Now I add together. Take 5 plus 3 is 8. The last number here is our remainder. So our remainder is 8. Okay, so now that means the coefficient of Q function, or the quotient, will be let's see, I have 0 power 1, 3. So we minus 2 x to the q plus 5 x squared plus 2x minus 3. So in other words, f of x equal to x plus 1, that is x minus 6 minus c right here, time the quotient function, which is minus 2 x to the q plus 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then we plus our remainder, which is 8. That is our answer. So this polynomial here, when you take this polynomial and divide by this, I get that. I got this answer. Now that they ask us to rewrite this as a form of x minus c times q plus r. So therefore I take my divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. If you multiply this by this here and you FOIL everything out and you plus 8, you will have your function f back. Now when you're done with this here, the last number here is always your remainder, and this is the coefficient of your quotient. Okay, so I have, this is 0 power, I'm going from accounting 0 power, first power, second power, and third power, so that way I know how to write it down.